The greatest moments in my life I can remember. It didn't cost a dime to have the little things that make life worth living. Well, I wonder if they're still around today. I really don't know. I just don't know. Has anybody in this world took the time to notice a child's face on a cold winter's day? Or how about an old-fashioned day ride? Does anyone still do that today? I really don't know. I just don't know. We better stop and think about our brothers. We better stop and listen to our mothers. When will we see we're heading the wrong way? And how then can I remember the greatest moments in my life I can remember. Oh, what's going to happen to this world? The greatest moments in my life I can remember. Oh, I wonder if they're still around today. Ask yourself a question. How did things get this way?